welcome to Virtual Keypad Tutorials. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to view past history for both unlocking and alarms within your virtual keypad. So what you'll see when you enter the platform is you'll see arming, history, and doors down below. So to view history, you can see a brief synopsis of the past 6 locks and unlocks of that particular device. You can either view all here or navigate over to the history button. From there, you'll see associated dates on the left hand side. If you wanted to quick jump to the 3rd, you could do that. And then you would see all associated triggers within Virtual Keypad. Thank you for watching Virtual Keypad Tutorials. If you would like to watch more how-to videos around Virtual Keypad, please click here for our tutorial channel. Or you can visit us here at virtualkeypad.com for more documentation and downloads.